Hello, this is Bakhtaar Mahmood and you're watching Dnow. Indian government's new short-term military recruitment policy, Agnipath, has attracted severe criticism and backlash. As soon as the government announced the policy, the unemployed youth took to the streets, burning properties and raising slogans against the new military recruitment policy. The retired defense officials and the opposition political leaders have also criticized the government's policy. As for India's new policy recruitment, 75% of the recruits will lose their jobs after 4 years against the current rules that allow soldiers to serve for almost 17 years. Those losing their job after 4 years will not be given gratuity or lifelong pension and medical benefits. The government's policy has come as a shock for the youth as the recruitment of the soldiers had been on hold due to the COVID for 2 years. In reality, government's intentions behind the policy are trimming salary and pension bills to buy more weapons to modernize the armed forces at the expense of thousands of unemployed young individuals. Secondly, the unemployment figures in India are at their worst in the last 50 years. Through this flawed policy, the government has also tried to meet the surging unemployment rate in India before the 2024 elections. This short-term and ill-fated policy will create chaos and disappointment in the rank and file of the Indian army. Moreover, generally in the Indian society, the new recruitment policy will breed extremism and intolerance given the unemployment. The government has a political end in mind while the policy demands an illustrative and selfless approach. Although the government has responded to the protest, however, the measures taken to address the flawed recruitment policy are nothing but a ploy to silence the youth for time being.